My name is William Blatt, and this spring I will be teaching a course on legislation. This course is a counterweight to the traditional law school curriculum. Right? Your first year you focus on common law classes, the development of law through cases. The vast majority of law, however, in our system is developed through legislation. Statutes are what most lawyers spend most of their time working with, and this course is an effort to devote entirely to statutes as a subject matter, to introduce you to that world of statutes which you will be living with in your second and third years and in most of your life as a practicing lawyer. The goals of the course are really threefold. The first is to cultivate certain skills, the most important which is statutory interpretation, being able to read and interpret a statute. And this is rather different than the cases that you've been reading thus far. You'll find it's a different skill. Another skill which we work on is it's drafting a statute. There will be an exercise in which students draft a statute and share that with the class. A second goal of the course is to learn about the legislative process itself. That's important to a lawyer who is following the development of law in a particular area, and to a lawyer who may be interested in influencing the legislative process, him or herself, either through the political process or through lobbying. Finally, the course talks about certain theories of law more generally, theories of pluralism, republicanism, theories of representation, theories about how law itself develops and should develop at a very general level from the kind of a political science point of view. My personal interest in this course dates back to prior to entering law teaching, when I worked for Congress for 5 years, and I've written most of my work in this area as well. And students who take this course will have the opportunity to read and banty about some of the ideas in my work. In terms of the classroom, it's basically a Socratic class. I talk to students in turn, ask questions, kind of try to stimulate discussion. There's this written assignment that we do, and then there's a final exam at the end of the semester. I hope to see you in the spring.